replacing these ducts. Damaged by rats. Almost every duct has been damaged by rats. I don't have any pressure. Oh, compressors blew out. That's why I don't have any refrigerant. So this is the compressor we're going to replace. So I just poured this oil out from here. It looks a little dirty. This is where it blew out. This is a test kit that I'm gonna use. Okay, so basically pour this one in here. Pour this one in here, then pour that oil here, and then throw it in here, shake it up, and then wait. That's it. This is acid test kit. I hate not having fingernails. I bite them too much. Well, maybe you can do it neater. So it says here, pour contents of small bottle into the large bottle, which we did. We poured this one in there. Immediately pour sample, which is here, into the large bottle. Cap and shake well. Allow the separation to layers to develop. This should take 2 to 3 minutes. If the bottom layer fades or loses its color entirely, the sample has an unacceptable acid number. I think you saw the oil. I was looking at the oil and it looks like it has a lot of contaminants inside. So I'm assuming that this is not going to be any good. I'm looking at it right now. I don't see any purple. Supposed to give it 2 to 3 minutes. It's at least been 1. Yeah, this has way too much acid. I would need to flush that line set out really good. So much trash in this oil, in this compressor. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know where this came from. So much trash. Gonna have to change the evaporator coil too. So let's go see the final product. Right here we replaced the compressor. You can see it is now running. I put this suction line dryer with 2 ports so I can check it later. New liquid line dryer. I was just checking my subcooling, my superheat, which is good. I got about 13 subcooling. I cleaned the condenser. This filter dryer, this dryer vent was it's just sucking it up. I already talked to them about relocating, but it was just getting all sucked in here to the condenser. I put that temporary an elbow right there. We go inside. Here's where we enlarge the return. I don't know if you can see it. Return has been enlarged. This is the existing furnace. We did not replace it. We did replace the evaporator coil because I did not want to take a chance on it being clogged. I did put seismic straps, as you can see. It doesn't go anywhere. I installed the secondary drain pan right here with a float switch. Here's my primary drain. I like to put unions to when I do a maintenance. This makes it easier to unclog the drain. Secondary goes down and out to the side of the house. I don't know if you can see that, but all these ducts have been replaced. They were all full of rats, chew marks from rats. Here's a new supply plenum. Here's a new return duct. So a little tight, and we had to squeeze it in there somehow. I replaced this elbow because somebody just jammed this in here and it was no good. Now, how can I show you what's in the back? I don't know if you can see what's in the back, but those ducts are replaced too. Here's a furnace cover which I need to grab and put it back on. But that's it in a nutshell. Condenser change out, new coil. Well, compressor change out, not condenser. Just the compressor was replaced. Hope you saw that. Maybe I can take you in. Let me see if I can climb in here and have you see the back. It's a little tight. Okay. There we go. I don't know if you can see the ducts that are replaced back there. Nice straight shots, straps where needed. Replace thermostat wire. But that's that. I like to put my seismic straps like this. I don't know if you can see underneath. That's how I like to do my seismic straps. Found it to be very effective, and it's out of the way. You can't see it up here. This is how they already had the furnace suspended. I didn't touch that. I did, however, seal everything that needed to be sealed, including here. Even the plenum's all sealed, all the joints. Here's the secondary drain line. Probably can't see where it goes. It goes to the side of the house over a window. This one shoots down into the house, under the house, and then goes out horizontally. The pressure of the water building up from up here pushes all the water out easily. I tested it. I poured like a gallon, and I also made sure and install straps on the bottom so it won't sag. But hope you like what you saw. Drain pan can't move. It's only there to trip the float. I know some guys like to run their secondary to the pan, but then they can't use the AC. I like this configuration a lot better. And we're out of here.